Good day, sir. My PowerPoint presentation in Group 5 for the topic in the Techno-Structural Intervention and Module 5. For my member in the group are Navarrete Rafael Jr. N, Yamba John Patrick L, and Paulino Mereros B. And my subject is Organizational Development. Techno-Structural Intervention. Structural Design. Organization structures describe how to overall works organization is divided into sub-units and how these sub-units coordinated for task completion. Organization structure is used to develop how groups and individuals are arranged or departmentalized to help meet an organization goals. It defines a reporting structure, jobs, composition, and responsibilities. My explanation is the structural design. This is the format of organization on how the organization exists. It is a very important to have an access because it shows many factors to meet the completion of every organization. The functional structure. The most widely used organizational structure in the world today is the basic functional structure. It is usually divided into functional units such as marketing and operations, research and development, human resource, and finance. On the positive side, functional structure promotes specialization of skills and resources by grouping people who perform similar work and face similar problems. On the negative side, functional structure tend to promote routine tasks with a limited orientation. Functional structure is the most common type of organizational structure nowadays because this kind of business structure help to organize company based on the roles of functions of department of this expertise. This kind of structure also requires new special skills with a group of people with same field of expertise who will perform works and do similar tasks as you. Explanation. Divisional structure is a system in which a company segments its employee based on product or markets, as opposed to their job roles. Some companies have marketing, sales, and communication departments, while a divisional organization has two dedicated to a specific region or products.
Hello sir, good morning po. Ako po ay isang group member ng Group 5. So, matrix structure. Some OD practitioners have focused on maximizing the strengths and minimizing weaknesses of both the functional and the divisional structure. In matrix structure, the organization is grouped by both product and function. Product lines are managed horizontally while function are managed vertical. So, matrix structure. Ito ay nagsasaad ng grupo ng organisasyon na naka-organize batay sa kanilang product and function na nakapokus din ito sa pag-maximize ng kakayahan at pag-minimize ng kahinaan sa parehong structure. Employee involvement. Employee involvement is the current level used to describe a set of practice and philosophies that started with the quality of work-life movement in the late 1950s. Engagement. The term engagement refers to an organization members' work experience engaged, also the outcome of intervention, a work definition of employee involvement. Employee involvement seeks to increase members' input into discuss that affects organization performance and employee well-being. So, employee involvement. Sinasabi dito, importante talaga ang employee involvement sapagkat ito ay ang pinagsama-sama kakayahan ng bawat membro ng organisasyon upang mas lalong mapabilis at mapaganda ang kanilang performance. 4 key elements that promote work involvement. Number 1, power. This element includes people with enough authority to make work, relate, discuss various issues. Number 2, information. This can include data about operating result, business plan, committee condition, new technologies, and work method, and ideas for organizational improvement. Number 3, knowledge and skills. It contributes to be organizational effectiveness only. Organizational can facilitate LB by providing training and development programs for improving members' knowledge and skills. Number 4, rewards. Rewards can have a powerful effects on getting people involved in the organization. So, sinasabi po dito ay 4 key elements that promote works involvement. Ang power, information, skills, and knowledge, then rewards na binabanggit dito ay mahalaga sapagkat ito ang iyong magiging batayan o gagamitin upang makabuo o makagawa ng isang magandang plano. Gagamitin mo ang iyong knowledge and skills upang makakuha ka ng impormasyon na angkop sa iyong plano.
Hello sir, good morning po. Ako po ay isa sa group members ng Group 5. At ang aming i-report po ay tungkol sa technostructural interventions. Yan po. Work design. Work of design refers to content and organization of one's work tasks, activities, relationships, and responsibilities. It applies to the physical, biomechanical, cognitive, and psychological characteristics of the job. So, ibig sabihin po is, ang work design ay tumutukoy sa nilalaman ng isang organisasyon na may kaugnayan sa isang relasyon ng isang responsibilidad na manggagawa. Next po. Approaches to work design. The engineering approach. The oldest and most prevalent approach design work based on engineering concepts and methods. Ang pinakaluma at pinakalaganap na diskarte sa pagdidisenyo ng trabaho batay sa mga konsepto at pamaraan ng isang engineering. Engineering approach is based on pioneering work of Frederick Taylor, the father of scientific method. He also developed a method for analyzing and designing work and laid the foundation of the professional field of industry engineering. So, ibig sabihin po nito is Ang pinakaluma daw po at pinakalaganap na diskarte ng isang disenyong manggagawa ay base sa kanyang pamamaraan at konsepto bilang isang engineering. So, engineering approach base po sa isang pamamaraan na ginawa po ni Frederick Taylor. Siya po ay isang ama ng isang siyentipikong pamamaraan. Siya rin po ay nag-develop ng isang method for analyzing and designing work and laid the foundation the professional field of industry engineering. Engineering po ay may dalawang approaches po. Ito po ay ang traditional jobs and traditional work groups. Next po. The motivational approach. The motivational approach work design views the effectiveness of organizational activities primarily as a function of members' needs and satisfaction. So, ang motivational approach po ay nagpapakita ng isang epektibo sa organization's activity. At ito ay pinafunction ng mga members para sa kanilang mga kailangan. And then, Herzberg's two-factor theory of motivational propose that the certain attributes of work, such as opportunities for advancement and recognition, which he called motivations factors, help increase job satisfaction. So, si Herzberg's daw po ay may theory of motivational. Ito po ay ang tinatawag na motivation factors and help increase job satisfaction. The socio-technical approach. The socio-technical approach is currently the most extensive body of scientific and applied work underlying employee involvement in innovative work design. Socio-technical approach, pinaka-extensive body of scientific at ito ay in-apply sa mga nagtatrabahong mga employee at involved and innovative work design. The goal of socio-technical system approach, which states that an organization will function best only if its social and technical system are designed to fit the needs of one another. It is based on two fundamental premises that an organization or work unit is combined social plus technical system, socio-technical, and that the system is open in relation to its environment. Base sa dalawang fundamental premises ng isang organisasyon or work unit na ito ay combine sa social plus technical system and socio-technical. At ito ay ino-open sa isang relasyon ng isang environment. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Factors that affect organization development intervention. Success. Certain variables present in the chain of situation affect the intervention success. They are following. Individual, group, and organization factors. Individual are essentially distinct in their beliefs, attitudes, family background, vision, in career direction, expectation, work performance, ethics, and relationship. The reality, individual, difference, group, and organization development success. The change process itself, the change mode itself, a critical determinant of successful organization development execution. The process, institution, change, and transformation. The organization determines the effectiveness of the organization development intervention. Oftentimes, adjustment should be particularly response to the dynamism prevailing in the organization environment. The readiness and capability for change, organizational readiness and capability change is important to effective organization development intervention.
Readiness refers to whether the organization manager and members are open to change, whether the organization has financial resources needed to bring about the change, whether the technologies structures for the change are in place. Capability refers to the ability to execute this change through organization productivity and strategy intervention.